Supercharge your retail AI videos by unlocking the power of Twilio integration for deeper customer engagement. First, log into your retail AI platform account and navigate to the video library. Select the specific video you want to enhance with Twilio integration. Now, access the video settings page. Look for an integrations or interactive elements tab. This might be located under advanced settings or similar. Hop over to your Twilio account. If you haven't already, purchase a Twilio phone number. Make sure it's SMS and voiceable depending on your desired interactive feature. Return to the retail AI platform. Within the integrations area, you will find a section specifically for Twilio. Here, you'll need to enter your Twilio account SIM and auth token from your Twilio dashboard. You'll also input the Twilio phone number you purchased. Activate your desired interactive elements. Depending on the retail AI platform, you can set up some space polls, quizzes that lead to specific offers based on responses, or even trigger a phone call for personalized assistance. Test your integration, play the video, and make sure the interactive elements function correctly. For example, test the SMS poll by sending a response to your Twilio number and confirming it's registered within the platform. Finally, monitor your results. The retail AI platform should now track engagement via SMS, providing valuable insights into customer preferences and allowing you to optimize your video marketing strategy. Enjoy.